Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Invideo AI. To access the Invideo AI platform, you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Invideo AI. Then you have to go with this second link which is invideo.io. As you click onto it, you will get to its website. So you can see how it create video and to what extent the AI is powerful. Once you have explored it, click on Try in Video AI. Then it will take you to this page. Now here we have this prompt section. Just simply write whatever you want in your video. It could be anything, whatever you have in your imagination. Just simply type it here and it will create a video based on what prompt instructions you have given to it. You can explain your idea. You can also tell them what kind of video you need, like a close up or maybe a wide view. You can also mention the quality that you need. And once you get done, then click on generate my video. As you click onto it, it will take like few seconds, and after that it will again ask you for some of the options, like what kind of video you need, the aspect ratio, or for which platform. So based on your preferences, you have to select these three options, like duration, the platform, and also what kind of video style you need. And you can also choose the model, but some of them are purchased and some of them are free, so you just have to simply choose based on your subscription. So once you have selected, then you have to click on generate, and after that it will take like 2 to 3 minutes and then you will see what it creates. So this is the video it has created, as you can see, and it looks very much realistic. As you can see, it is really hard to tell that if it is created with a AI or it is actually captured through a camera. So that's how you can use the InVideo AI. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.